Ssaabaminisita Robinah Nabbanja asinzidde Lwampala ku ssomero lya Kinoni Integrated Primary School eriweza emyaka 10 naawe essuubi abasomesa amasomo aga arts.
Doing this in a phased manner. We started with scientists. The following year, last year, we continued with the security agencies, as you are aware. And now, His Excellency the President is prioritizing the arts.
Essomero lino lireza abantu 10 mu ggwanga okuva mu 1922 okuli ne yali Speaker Francis Butagira. Essanyu libadde ly'amaanyi nga basoose na kuyisa bivvulu oluvannyuma Ssaabaminisita Nabbanja n'aggulawo ekizimbe ekipya.
I am pleased to hear that Kinoni Primary School has consistently performed very well, producing speakers, doctors, engineers, teachers, lawyers, and public servants, and as well as leaders, because the members of parliament have gone through this school.
Balaze bikyabula mu kizimbe kino ne basaba gavumenti okubibawanga we basuubizza.
Mbona kitukorre twakushaba haza twongeremu na n'erishomero lya Kinoni Integrated ebindi noja kurra performance.
Right Honorable Prime Minister is a hot cake. Hot cake ni mkimechi wakumanyisa. Buri omwe n'abana mu Rwanda. Ningira n'abaine invitations nke neitano every weekend. Nyobuna zayo confirming my invitation nkashanga y'abandi bari kungira bankahi.
Prime Minister Nabbanja asabye abayi Lwampala okwagira President Museveni mu kulonda omwaka ogujja ogwa 2026.
Obusinge buno tubulinde nk'eriiso. How? Nituongera kuhagira. Ogwanyu tukubasaba mwongere kuhagira. Kandi kunu tukubasaba atabaho okubuzaabuzibwa. Ni mumanya abaana baitu abasigazi obundi ni babuzaabuzibwa. Please don't allow this in Lwampala. Tukubasaba mutakiikiriza Lwampala ataba ukaruru nako.
Bikungwanyiziddwa ekitongole ky'amawulire ekya Salt TV Omunnyo.